Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I hope you're excited and prepared because today I'm going to be sharing with you all of my secrets, the products that I use and I swear by that for me have been life-changing. Like, this has taken me years to find all of these things. You will see I'm very passionate about them. We're going from hygiene to beauty to hair to undergarments. So if you are new here to my channel, please make sure to subscribe. I do home, lifestyle, and even some beauty videos here on my channel. I would love to have you as a subscriber. Also, almost all of these things are found on Amazon, and I will link everything I'm showing it down in the description box, so check there. So we're gonna start with something that I am asked about all the time for years, and I have never openly discussed on my channel, and that is my hair. Is it real? Is it fake? Is it extensions? So we're gonna talk about that today because there is one product that I swear by and has changed my life. It is called the BFB Up, and this is a clip-in extension product. It is actually designed to be used for updos because it is one 3-clip weft of hair that has 60 grams of hair on one weft. So basically you're getting a lot of hair on just one clip. So for me, this is just the easiest thing to use. Clip on the bottom of my hair, and it just gives me that little bit of extra length and volume at the bottom. But let's get to the good stuff, okay? We're gonna take this baby out. Okay, so now I'm gonna remove it. So here's my hair natural without the extension. You can see it's fairly long, but just really lacking volume at the bottom. So that is what this baby is for. Super thin, and again, it's 60 grams of hair on one weft. It just makes my life so much easier. I don't have time to put in a whole head of clip-in extensions, plus that's not comfortable for me. Just putting in one weft, easy, literally takes me 1 minute a day, and my hair looks so much better. Now we're gonna move into a couple oral hygiene products that are game changers, okay? First and foremost, for teeth whitening, you can see here my teeth are looking pretty white, and I was noticing in videos my teeth were going so yellow, it was borderline embarrassing. So I started looking into different options, but I have extremely sensitive teeth. And randomly, this girl I follow on Instagram who has the whitest teeth, I thought they were actually veneers, she shared that what works for her is this, Sensodyne Extra Whitening Toothpaste. Yes, that's it. No whitening strips, no like fancy whitening programs. This is all you need. Within like 4 or 5 days, my teeth started looking noticeably whiter, and I drink a lot of coffee and a lot of tea. Next one, this is probably like a top 3. I don't know how everybody doesn't know about this because it's the best thing ever. And it is called Smart Mouth mouthwash. And you guys, this stuff kills bad breath, like gone. So how I like to use this is at night, once I'm done eating, after I brush my teeth, I will use this as my mouthwash. And then you wake up the next day and your morning breath, I won't say it's completely gone, but it's like 80 to 90% better. This helps my relationship a great deal. I will just say that. We can actually talk in the morning. So the only downside to this is that once you use it, you won't want to eat for at least 30 minutes after. It makes your food taste weird. So that's why I mostly like to use this at night. In the morning after I brush my teeth, I will use this guy right here, which is a tongue scraper, but not just a tongue scraper, the best tongue scraper. Like this stainless steel guy, it will get everything out from your tongue, all of that gross bacteria. Just brushing it alone is not gonna get all of that out. Up next is a fun little product that I found recently, and I love so much. I need to share it with the world. And it is these Vanity Lights. So you can basically turn any mirror into a beautiful vanity mirror with the best lighting. Lighting is everything when it comes to pictures, video, and also doing your makeup. Okay, so here is the before with the lights off. You can see a little dark. Okay, so here I am now with the lights on, and you can see it makes such a huge difference either in video, in pictures, or just for getting ready. So yes, I cannot recommend these enough. They're really inexpensive and they work great. They also have a dimmer on them, so you could make them brighter or more dim just depending on what you need. Along with that, a little secret is this guy, which is my beauty pillow. You guys see it on my bed all the time. I get asked about it so much, but this is a pillow that allows you to sleep without your face pressing into the pillow. So for my lash extensions that I have on, this helps them last longer because I'm not ruining them at night while I'm sleeping. But even if you don't have lash extensions, this is just amazing because you get sleep wrinkles by pressing your face into the pillow. whatever side you sleep on the most, you'll notice over time that you're gonna get more wrinkles on that side. So basically the way that it works is you're sleeping, your ear is on the pillow, but your face is hanging off the side of it, so it's not being pressed into the pillow. The first 2 to 3 nights you sleep on this, you will absolutely hate it. You won't want to use it, but you have to get over that hump. Once you switch over, I'm telling you, you will not be able to go back. I can't sleep on any other pillow. This next one is kind of funny, but it's also awesome. So for Christmas this year, my mom got me this guy. What is it, you ask? It's a facial hair remover. So I was like, Mom, really? But yes, I have quite a bit of peach fuzz, and it got so much more noticeable and dramatic being pregnant and after pregnancy. Shaving your face just makes your skin look a lot smoother and healthier. And I was using those little straight razors that a lot of people talk about, but I kept cutting myself. This is like idiot proof. So you just turn it on and just go all over your face. Does not hurt, does not cut you, could not be easier, works very well. So yeah, this is what I use just to keep my face nice and smooth and hair free. All right, so now let's talk about undergarments, because I have quite a few things that I have found out over the years that work. So first thing, just to cover the basics, I found the best basic thong, extremely affordable. I forget how much they cost. I believe a 6-pack is $10. These are from Amazon. I found out about them through someone I follow on Instagram. So I just took the chance. I ordered these guys. They are so well made, high quality, especially for the price. So these are my new like Holy Grail undies. I'm just gonna continue buying these. I already have 3 packs of them. We've all heard of strapless bras, but have you heard of strapless underwear? Probably not, but I have to say they come in handy in certain situations. So if you're wearing a really clingy dress where any underwear you're gonna wear is gonna show through on the sides, that is when your strapless underwear come to play. So I do also have to quickly touch on high-waisted leggings because you guys know I live in them. So my number one go-tos are the Zella high-waisted live-in leggings, and I do actually live in them. Those are like my everyday high-waisted legging. A close second to those are these 90-degree reflex leggings that I get on Amazon. They're only about $40, I believe. They come in so many different colors. I have like 4 or 5 colors now at this point. They're really high quality, soft. So yeah, these and the Zella high-waist leggings, they're my everything. I love them. In terms of bras, I have a new little gadget that I found. They are nipple covers that have a special adhesive on the top that you can pull up and lift the girls up. Because since breastfeeding, I mean, just picture a inflated balloon and then just deflate that about 50%. That's what we're working with, okay? You can just pull things up. Now, for skincare, it was hard to narrow it down, but if I had to pick one all-time holy grail skincare product that I could not live without, it would be this. It's called Reveal 10, and this is a combination of alpha hydroxy acids that go in and they clean out your pores, so it will help your pores look smoother and smaller. Also for fine lines and wrinkles, it kind of just does it all. It makes your face look visibly, noticeably tighter and better within about 2 weeks. This is something I use every other night. It's a little bit too strong to use every night. If you have extremely sensitive skin, just do a patch test first. All right, so that is my list of my most game-changing beauty products that I swear by, could not live without. I also want to do a quick mention because most of those are Amazon products that now our beautiful Vestor Essentials diffuser is available on Amazon Prime. So when you buy it there, it does include the free Prime shipping. So the price ends up being a few dollars less if you buy it on Amazon, and you'll get it within 2 days. So yes, this beauty right here, which for me is one of my favorite things in my entire house. So I will have the link to that along with everything else I shared down in the description box. Now I would love to hear from you guys. What are your top beauty products? Beauty secrets? Let me know down in the comments. And also specifically, I've been on the hunt for the best drugstore foundation. The one I had been using for years, the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless, I'm finding in natural light is oxidizing and getting a little pink on me. So I want to try some new ones. Let me know what your favorite one is down in the comments. And with all that being said, thank you as always so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and I will see you guys soon with a new video. Bye.